Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Klarna app not updating issue. First, open your app store and check if an update is available for the Klarna app. If the opt-in button appears, tap it and wait for the installation to finish. Next, if the update does not start, check your internet connection and make sure that it is stable. You can also restart your phone and try updating the app again. Another fix is clearing the cache of the App Store from your phone settings. After that, open the App Store and try again and updating the app. If the problem persists, go ahead and long press on the Klarna app icon, remove app, then delete the app. Then head over to your App Store once again and reinstall the app. This will install the latest version from the official App Store or Play Store. That's how you fix the Klarna app not update.